Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the exact Epic Games account tied to Fortnite. This matters because parental controls are account-specific. Once signed in, make sure the child's email and birth date are correct so restrictions apply properly. Next, check the console or phone-level controls, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, iOS, Android, because system blocks can override Fortnite settings. Gather usernames, device names, and any existing PINs. Having that information lets you proceed quickly into Fortnite settings without stopping to hunt for credentials. Now go into Fortnite settings and tap Parental Controls. If prompted, create or reset the 6-digit PIN. This secures the changes. Once inside, adjust communication permissions, disable voice chat or restrict to friends only, block direct messages, and limit friend requests as needed. Next, control in-game purchases by turning off or requiring approval for microtransactions. Also set playtime or daily limits where supported, and make sure these choices don't conflict with your console or device restrictions, so they take effect as intended. To finish, log out of Fortnite on the child's device and log back in so the updated controls register. Then test key features. Try sending a friend request, opening the store, and using voice chat to confirm each restriction behaves as expected and prompts the PIN where required. If a setting didn't take, reset the Epic account's parental PIN or resync the console's user restrictions. Sometimes system-level controls block changes. If problems persist, reboot devices and retry. Most sync problems clear after a restart.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.